InMail messages from LinkedIn, more specifically, free InMail messages. You can, as a LinkedIn user who is not paying for premium, and I'm doing this from my friend Megan's computer on her account. She gave me permission to use to record her screen. You can see Megan is not paying for any premium version of LinkedIn. Right here it says try premium for free. She's looking at my LinkedIn profile here. And Megan can send me a free InMail message because I'm a premium user and I have enabled open messaging, open profile. Open profile, again, is for premium users of LinkedIn who want to make it, their InMails to them free for non-premium users of LinkedIn, which I decided to do. Now, I'm going to use my friend Bryn. I'm going to go to her account. I'm going to send from Megan's computer. I'm going to send Bryn a message and show you, but Bryn is a premium user of LinkedIn. I'm going to show you what it looks like to send a free InMail to a premium subscriber of LinkedIn. So click on message. Now this is what an InMail message looks like on LinkedIn. A little bit different, but pretty similar to the way it looks like on Sales Navigator or Recruiter. Now, let me break this down. First of all, InMails have a subject line. They're optional, but they're also very useful to let the user know why you are messaging them. And then you can write your message. And then look down here. This is a free InMail, free message. And again, the reason it is free is because Bryn is a premium subscriber of LinkedIn and she has enabled open profile, which basically means let free LinkedIn users be able to send me an InMail. So in the message here, you want to write a compelling message. You really want to be very transparent, open, and friendly. No pitches, no sales, and you want to make this conversation all about Bryn. Now, I'm not going to go into the whole philosophy of messaging. I just want to show you how to send the message. Let me set up a message for Bryn. Okay, there's my message to Bryn. I'm basically just saying hello and asking her not to respond to it. Now, again, be very purposeful about your messaging when you use InMails. When you use any messaging on LinkedIn, you want to be friendly, polite, you want to make the conversation all about the other person, etc., etc. Because the goal of an InMail is to pull someone into a conversation. If you're not doing all of the right things to make that happen, you're wasting your time on LinkedIn. Now, Bryn now knows who I am, and she knows I'm helping Teddy. So my message is not going to be as deliberate as yours is. Now, it's a free message. I've written my subject, my message. Look what happens next. Now, this is really pretty interesting. I think this is all wrong here. You tried to send an InMail. No, I just did send an InMail without having yet received a reply to your last one. Well, I've never messaged. Megan has never messaged Bryn before. But the message aside, here's what's going on here. So I'm going to close this down. I'm going to refresh. Come off of Bryn's profile so we know it's nothing to do with the profile. And look what happens when I go back to messaging. There's the message to Bryn. It doesn't look any different here. But if I click on it, you can see there's the message to Bryn from Megan. This is the subject line. Here's the message. And look down here. You haven't received a response yet. Now, in context to this question, how do you know if an InMail has been accepted or not? This is the answer. Once an InMail has been accepted and the person responds to your message, A, you'll see the response, and B, this will go away. Until that person decides to click in the message box and respond, this will sit there. Now, by the way, if the premium user of LinkedIn, here's a message that Megan previously sent to me that looks exactly the same. If the user decides not to respond, if the user decides to delete the message and ignore it, put it in the trash, archive it, or whatever, without responding back, this is what you will continue to see. There's no other alert as to how The premium user of LinkedIn responds unless they clearly respond. Inmails are useful. Do it right. Be very purposeful. And again, if this sits there, then at some point or another, that message is dead. That thread will never move forward. And my suggestion would be either find another way to contact this individual or move on to another LinkedIn member. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. I hope this is helpful to you.